Hi, I'm Derek, and today we'll be discussing creating long and slender geometry, typically found in framing systems, using SOLIDWORKS Weldments. Building frame or wooden structures rely heavily on the length and end treatment of each component. There are a lot of calculations involved on the fly that can lead to errors. SOLIDWORKS Weldments does all of the calculations for you so that building these structures are as simple as possible. SOLIDWORKS Weldments generates a cut list automatically with the lengths and any end treatments, which reduce the calculations as well as errors incurred by doing it the old-fashioned way. Weldments comes installed with a library of profiles, but your custom profiles can be inputted at any time. Just select on the outline sketch entities and Weldments automatically generates the members directly on the sketch. The position at which the profile lives on the sketch entity can be adjusted right on the fly. This makes generating the members quick and easy with no need to think about anything more than the overall dimensions when sketching. Different size or shaped beams can be trimmed to fit with others quick and easy. No need to manually cut the ends of each beam with the other's profile in order to receive the correct length and end treatment. Once your structure is generated, it's very easy to convey your information within a drawing. The cut list placed on the drawing with all of its properties automatically generated. There is no need to manually input any values into the cut list. Balloons can even be automatically generated to make identifying each member much easier. With larger or intricate structures, it's not possible to do on the fly by hand and does require some design up front. For many years this was done in 2D, but there are so many benefits to transition to 3D. When there's overlapping members, the end treatment can be very easily determined in 3D, but in 2D this has to be drawn manually, if at all. SOLIDWORKS' parametric ability allows for much easier changes down the road than 2D can even fathom. SOLIDWORKS simulation can accurately simulate the stresses and deflections on beams, where in 2D this is not possible. These are just a few examples as to why Weldments in 3D is much better than 2D. Another benefit of creating your weldment parts within SOLIDWORKS is you can leverage the functionality of costing. Costing allows you to determine the manufacturing cost of parts, including weldments. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video, and if you'd like to know more about SOLIDWORKS weldments or costing, please reach out to your local CADimensions sales representative. Have a great day.